The Weber Smart Grilling System is a Weber grill with a smart module built in. The module connects to temperature probes, which allow you to gauge the internal temperature of your meat, but it also communicates the internal temperature of your grill. There's also a smart countdown function that estimates the amount of time it will take for your proteins to finish cooking based on the programmed internal temperature of the meat. The Weber Connect smartphone app has a library of recipes that will give you step-by-step instructions on how to prepare certain meats you might not have been comfortable cooking or grilling before. It will give you instructions on how to season and prepare your foods. It also gives you a countdown to notify you when your food will be cooked and flipped if needed. You can also monitor the internal temperature of the grill through the app on your phone, but unfortunately you will not be able to change the temperature of the grill from the app. The Weber Connect app will help you cook larger cuts of meat on the grill, so you're not limited to just cooking hot dogs and hamburgers anymore. You have the precision, control, and guidance with the Weber Connect app to cook meats such as rack of lamb, whole chicken, and roasts that traditionally wouldn't be prepared on the grill. To learn more about Weber Smart Grills and other grills that we carry, click the link at the end of this video to download our barbecue grill buying guide. Thanks for watching.